Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the presentation. Tonight's recipe comes from the Netherlands. Translates to Dutch sausage rolls. The morning mise en place. This is prep and I added a few things. This is the evening mise en place in order of appearance. This is the hamburger with all the herbs and spices and breadcrumbs. And after kneading, I add the Worcestershire sauce. After mixing again, I split the beef into two parts. I take a sheet of puff pastry and cut it into two. I add each section of beef. I egg wash the edges of the puff pastry. I close up the puff pastry and crimp it with a fork. And then they go in the cold box for about 10 minutes. Then after the cold box, they get a beautiful egg wash. They go in the hot box for about 25 minutes. And they come out nice and golden brown. And here's the final Dutch sausage rolls with French fries with a side of mustard. Thank you for coming to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have fun cooking.